the card specifically made for creators. You guys know that I'm a fan of anybody that's innovating. And you can just imagine people's face when you tell them you've been approved for a credit card based on your social media following. I mean, this is crazy. This is super. And the coolest part is that it has no hidden fees, no credit score check, and great cashbacks. I'll share the full list at the end because honestly, they know what creators are spending money on. Personally, from the cashback list, I picked PayPal, of course, which is what I use to pay my contractors, for example, video editors and people on our team project base. We also selected travel and subscriptions, which is one that's super cool that I don't see any other card basically doing. So Spotify, Netflix, all those subscriptions that we all have and use. And now to the part that everybody wants to know. It is up to today invite only, but I do know that any content creator can still apply. And from what they told me, because they do have a really, really cool concierge like tech service, is that even if you do not get accepted automatically, apply today and they'll keep you on their list so that at the moment where maybe you do reach the threshold that they require to get in, then you'll be accepted automatically because you already have your application in. The coolest part to me and what excites me the most about a company like Karat is the fact that they can add so many cool things based on creators. I mean, just the fact that you're getting a credit card based on your social media following, like you're getting approved just on that. Imagine all the other things that can be added, like tax support for creators, which I know a lot of us, hello me, struggle with finding year-round like that tax person that understands everything. Health benefits for creators. There's so many of us like in this bucket that are creators that basically do need somebody that understands how the business runs to actually be able to create these programs. So I think they have a head start on this, and what they can do is honestly incredible. From a personal experience, I can compare it to the other business credit cards that we've used, and I honestly find that the perfect balance is dividing your expenses and seeing what you're going to get the most rewards on, and then moving that basically over to that credit card. So most of our expenses are things that are recurring, or for example, those little things that we're always buying, you know, automatically from Amazon. Well, I'll set that up with one card and I know that that goes to the card where I'm going to get the most rewards from. And before I pull up the full list of rewards that Karat does have, the other cool thing that I think really tops them off from any other credit card company is the fact that they're also on a mission to basically unite these creators with their networking events. That's honestly how I first found out about them, through this networking event where a lot of creators attended. That's the moment where I started following them, and from there was when they reached out to me. So I think that's super cool, totally innovative, which you know I totally love. Now, on to the good part. I'm about to list all the different reward categories that you can select from. So here we go. Ad spend, auto parts, camera equipment, cosmetics, dining, eBay, fitness and gym, games, gas, men and women's apparel, electronics, groceries, PayPal, pets and vets, subscriptions, travel, shipping, merch. So much, and the best part is that it's pretty specific to what most creators are flowing around, which is super cool. So there you have it. This is definitely gonna be a go for me, and the coolest part is that you can go show your parents, show your family, all those people that still don't really understand how creating content can be a business, and show them that you literally got a credit card by doing just that. And as always, I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel next week. Bye bye.
We about to make it happen. So